live now from the Orange area from the Mobile Weather Lab, talking more about road conditions. How's it like in Orange? Good morning.
Alyssa, good morning. So we're on Old Tavern Road right now. Let me switch the camera around because it's actually impressive how much better the roads are looking here. We're traveling just fine, but as you can see, there's still a layer of a bit of snow. You want to be careful of the ice out there. Of course, we heard from state police that they responded to a number of crashes during the blizzard. 80 crashes from 5 p.m. Sunday to 3 p.m. yesterday. So important to still be careful, but they did a really nice job here on these side roads cleaning up. But I do have some driving tips for you from AAA, driving in conditions like this, because we know not all roads are as clear as this one. So of course, make sure your tires properly inflated. Always have half a tank of fuel in your car at all times. Now, this is the weather we do not want to be using cruise control. That is important. Take it slow this morning. Leave yourself plenty of extra time. And of course, accelerate, decelerate slowly, especially when approaching intersections or stop signs, red lights, things like that. As we know, Gil has been saying snow piles are causing problems at intersections with visibility. So that's why it's so important to, like we are doing right now, take it slow when approaching these red lights and take your time in general this morning. And increase that following distance between you and the cars in front of you. That is also a big deal. It will save you in case someone needs to stop short or anything like that. We're going to continue to drive around, check out these road conditions, but things are looking okay here in Orange. Live from the Mobile Weather Lab, I'm Natasha Lubchenko. I'll send it back inside to you guys.